Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to be doing my reaction to the new 100 Season 2B trailer. So, I've seen this once, and I can't even freaking deal. Like, why? Ah, dude, okay. It's going to be so, somebody just hold me, because I'm not prepared.
Sometimes you have to sacrifice the few to save the many.
I'm sorry, let me make this big screen. Okay, here we go.
Sometimes you have to sacrifice the few to save the many.
Yes. Dude, what?
Maybe the chancellor, but I'm in charge.
Whoa. Okay, we gotta watch that again because it's pretty awesome.
Sometimes you have to sacrifice the few to save the many.
Yes. Whoa.
Maybe the chancellor, but I'm in charge.
Dude, what? Okay, it's only like 20 seconds, but it's seriously so incredible. So many great things happen. Okay, so, number one, I'm gonna start out with why is Bellamy in a freaking cage? Probably there by the Mount Weather people, which is so depressing because, dude. So, in season 1, like, hated Bellamy. I felt like he was such a douche and so frustrating, so annoying, and just like, oh, my life's been horrible. I'm gonna be the douchebag of the group. And I'm just like, ugh. And then, like, the closer, like, his character has evolved so much. So freaking much. I freaking love Bellamy now. And I love him and Clark. And they just need to be canon like they are in the books. And so him being in a freaking cage, apparently without any clothes on, it's just so sad. So I'm like, seriously? Why? And just the scene in, like, 209 when Bellamy's like, I'm gonna go in and get her, if you can get out, I'm gonna go in and get our people out. And Clark's like, no. And he's just like, I don't take orders from you. You need to give me a better reason. And she's like, because I can't lose you too. And I was like, the feels are real. It's happening. The feels are real. Yeah. Okay. I also love how the Sky people are teaming up with the Grounders. I think it's such an awesome plan to bring down Mount Weather together because they both have common goals. The Grounders are missing their people. The Sky people have their people locked up too. And Monte needs to just get free and just, dude. And then, like, Lincoln is gonna, like, help him get in. I'm just like, oh, Lincoln. Dude, he just escaped, like, the program where he got turned into a Reaper, which was so depressing. And this episode's gonna be so great. Like, whenever Clark's like, you're not in charge anymore, I am. I was like, slay! Keep on slaying! Because Clark is so bad A right now, and just kicks butt. And she's like, this is the scoop, homies. I'm in charge now, which is so cool. I just freaking love this show. I'm so happy it got renewed for season 3. I cannot wait to see what the rest of the season holds. Dude, I'm just not prepared. It's gonna be bad. Like, I'm not prepared. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful Friday weekend. Whatever time it is, whatever day it is, have a wonderful time. And night, everybody. Bye.